Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing new week. Currently it is Monday and let's get right into the charts as we do have some things to cover from yesterday. As you know, yesterday was Sunday and I was expecting a Sunday pump, which we kind of got. As you can see, basically throughout the whole Sunday we moved up, if we count this week right here, over 4% towards the upside, with Bitcoin pumping almost 3k. As you can see right here, from 69.2 we went all the way up towards $72,000. And after this you can see what happened. Price has just absolutely reversed all of those gains and we are right now down almost basically over 5%, and currently hitting that daily pivot support. If we go on a hard time frame, you can see we are also currently trading below the new weekly pivot, and we are currently forming our Monday range right here. As you can see, the Monday high and the Monday low. Basically currently trading below the daily open level. On the daily time frame, you can see we are potentially forming a new range right here. We could wick down yet again towards the downside, and we could do basically something like we did last time. You can see right here this whole consolidation sideways basically, and up and down. We've had moves of around 10% towards the downside. We've had moves of around 14% towards the upside. So basically anything can happen. Before Bitcoin chooses a direction, we could get another push toward the monthly resistance. That would be like 10% of a move, and we could get another move up towards basically the S1, the monthly first support that we are currently facing as resistance. And this was also our previous Monday low, which I was expecting Bitcoin to go up towards 74k, but yesterday the price managed only to go up towards 72k. As you can see, we failed to go any higher. We actually did have a reason for this wick and this pump. You can see right here on the lower time frame, and that is actually, you can see right here, we had liquidity stacked right around 72k, and Bitcoin just shoot up towards the upside to grab the liquidity. I was talking about this liquidity right here that we are potentially going to go and get. It could still happen this week. I don't think that we are going to go straight down like we did right here. We are not going to see this kind of volatility very often, as you know, but we are going to range, and basically the market makers would grab both sides of the liquidity. So we could go down yet again to like 65.4k. That could be, let's see, 65, that exactly like almost right here at our weekly S1. It could get hit, like we could do something like this before going up again to grab the liquidity towards the upside. But other than that, right now for the day, you can see right here, I am potentially expecting a job until we get the New York Open. Stock market currently also not having a great pre-market. You can see right here we have like 3 hours until the New York Stock Exchange opens and we get that nice volatility coming to the market. But other than that, the dollar is also dropping down, which I do expect to be good for Bitcoin if it continues, if it actually manages to like do something like turn over this trend, put in a higher low right here from this bottom, then that would not be good for Bitcoin, of course. But still the dollar is in a macro downtrend that you can see right here, so nothing new here. We still have that CME gap, but it is quite high, so I do think that Bitcoin is gonna take its time before it actually goes up and close that gap. Ethereum right now still trading below this area right here. It was support, and right now, as you can see, yesterday we tagged it and it is acting as a resistance. Currently also trading below the weekly pivot. Solana also not doing good. Basically all of the altcoins other than Hype are not doing good. You can see Hype is still kind of consolidating right here. The open interest for Bitcoin, we got another flush out of the open interest yesterday. So basically you can see actually this time price is going up while open interest is going down. So this is not a good sign for the Bitcoin bulls, as you know. Fear and Greed Index still remaining below 10, which is absolutely crazy. Spot ETFs, I don't think we have any data for today yet. Exactly, and we do have once again more sellers in the market, as you can see right here. Nothing new. Funding rates are remaining negative on the major exchanges. And let's see, we don't have important news for today, but tomorrow we do have some important news, and on Wednesday also. So it's gonna be very interesting the next coming 2 days. And we also have the most important news at the end of the week, basically the CPI data we are going to be getting on February the 13th. So yes guys, I think this covers it for today. I hope you all have an amazing new week, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.